Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and every time I travel, I love to take bottles of booze to my friends as gifts, but I'm always afraid that something bad is going to happen to this expensive bottle that I put into my baggage, and we've all seen what happens to checked luggage. It gets bumped around and it gets dropped, and so I don't want this bottle to break. I found the perfect solution. It gave me total peace of mind, and that's these reusable wine bags from Jimmy the Fox. You don't have to use them just for wine bottles. I actually use them for hard liquor, and these bags accommodated the size really well. When we arrived at our destination, I went through our luggage. Our bottles were perfectly intact, no breakage and no leaking. They work great, and that's because of the way that they're made. What I love about these is the triple layer bottle protective sleeve. This really helps to keep the bottle protected, and it's impact resistant. In fact, I kind of threw it around in the suitcase a little bit, and I was pleased that nothing happened. It's also leak proof, so there's a Ziploc closure, and then you fold it down twice with Velcro to secure it, and this works really well. I think that these worked perfectly. I can't wait to use them again, and that's my point of view.